scrape the plaque. Let me scrape the plaque off your tongue. Open it. That shit smell like skunk cheeks. I'm telling you.
What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know what time it is when you see me on the other side of the screen. But before we get into it, man. What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know what time it is when you see me on the other screen. But before we get into it, man, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, tell a friend, join the family because we are lit. Please hit that post notification. I don't want y'all to miss none of these lit bangers in the future. Yeah, so from that title, man, y'all already know this is about to be a lit reaction, man. Y'all know I'm here to get y'all, girl. Y'all know how I'm coming, y'all. Sorry about the other 2 days. Y'all know yesterday was Loyal's birthday, so, you know, we was having family time. And the day before that, YouTube tried to hate on the young brother, but I'm back, and I'm better, and I'm back again. So, yeah. I need y'all to go ahead to that comment section, comment team tag down below, because y'all know how I get, man. And oh yeah, we on the road to 20K. And y'all keep dropping those cash outs because I'm getting ready to do that other cash app giveaway very, very soon. So y'all don't want to miss that. Straight up. So let's get off into the video. And oh yeah, shout out to my son DJ. When you see this, man, good looking on the assist setup for the other camera angle. Straight up. Let's do this.
Why you throw my phone in the truck? Why you screaming like that? DJ, did somebody else my number?
Who?
I don't know. Somebody just text.
Hey, man. What you playing? What you playing?
Well, big ass head, can I put in that motherfucking box?
Hey, you play, Daddy? What's up?
No, Loyal, these is hot.
What you doing?
No. Loyal, they're hot, Papa. You cannot have it. You just ate. Loyal. No. Give him where they suck out that cabbage, because he just ate food. He just ate waffles and stuff. You know?
Out the cabbage?
Yeah. No, Papa, throw you get the boy.
You like these little hard ones? There you go, man. Give me one first.
He don't want to kiss you. He don't do that same thing. Boy, you mad because he don't want to kiss you?
Here, give me one. Give me one, dude.
Give him the sucker. Get on Fackies. Don't play with me. Look, he's not even grabbing it. Retard. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? How long you been woke? Look like you just woke up.
Eating noodles. I just woke up eating noodles. Look, your phone is over here, dude. You don't want it?
You got the hiccups or you like baby burping? What is that?
I had the hiccups. Or I don't know. I don't remember. You hear that?
Yeah, you started baby burping. What did he just fall? Like, is you serious back there?
That wasn't a burp. I was like that, nigga. You know what that is when people do that? It's like they be gasping a little bit for they burp.
Yeah, me too.
You still want some of these?
No, I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
You ain't get no food today? Oh, I forgot that you don't go to Giordano's no more, you said.
Yeah, I don't go to Giordano.
What the fuck you gonna do? Why you sitting there?
Yeah.
You not gonna shower?
Did you shower? Did you shower? Come on, I'm not gonna shower. I thought you had to get in.
Nigga, last night I didn't go nowhere till 8. What are you talking about? What did you doing? Stop fucking playing with me. What the fuck are you doing? Why you keep making faces?
Let me get a bite of this fucking. I ain't belong.
Damn.
Yeah, this is the last little bit. You gave me your last little bit.
No, you said a bite. That's
You're-
like 3 bites, so you
you're
can
a
take
real-
a little bit. I'm not playing.
You a
I'm
real
not
nigga. You a real nigga.
Tay, what the fuck are you doing? They stink. The noodles stink.
No, this fork stink. What the fuck?
Yeah, the noodles stink. Maybe the fork is in the noodles. Duh.
Ah, it don't smell like noodles.
What does it smell like?
It smell like ass. You smell that?
It smells like the noodles.
It smell like ass cheeks.
Alright, well, what the fuck you trying to say?
Shit.
It's probably you smell like
How long you been woke?
What the fuck are you trying to say? Just stop talking to me. Whew. Don't eat none of my
Yeah,
shit. yet.
there we go.
That's because it wasn't meant for you.
Did you throw up a little bit and swallow it back down? That motherfucking breath stank.
Who fucking breath stink? Stay talk to that with me. You just walked in the house. How could you possibly smell my breath?
Cause I thought I probably stepped up some dog shit on my work boot.
You probably did.
Nah,
nigga.
whew, there it go. I'm telling you. Every time you talk, that shit is reaching. Chill.
Okay, well, get your ass out.
Yeah, I'm about to stand back. What?
Cause you in my face.
How the fuck long you been walking? You walking around like that?
My breath don't stink. It's probably the noodles.
Fucking
The
hard.
noodles.
Told you, man, there ain't no noodles.
That's it. Is.
Noodles smell like noodles.
That's what it smells like.
Fucking dookie water smell like dookie water. And that's what that smell like. Whew. The noodles is making it even stronger. Shit.
How the fuck you know what noodles water smell like?
Gee, cause you letting me know right now. Just stop talking, please. Just eat your food, please. Please.
How about you stop fucking
I'm about to throw the fuck up. Please eat your food.
Get out, then. Go take a shower,
Gee,
man.
you about to melt this whole living room if you keep talking.
Say,
That
my
shit
breath
is
don't stink.
all,
Shut up.
all in the fucking air.
When the,
It's all in the fucking. That's just
stop
all
fucking
in the
playing with me. You trying to be funny and stuff funny. My breath is about to
That shit is all in the fucking air.
Say, stop fucking playing with me.
What the matches at, man? Oh.
If you light a match up for this match because you being over dramatic.
Well, I'm about to get some motherfucking thread and a needle. I'm about to sew them lips together.
Nigga, it's the noodles. I'm telling you, it's the noodles. Why
Oh,
what are you talking
goodness.
about?
Fuck you have a Gabriel cheeseburger before them noodles?
It's the
Fuck.
noodles, dude.
Noodles don't make that shit smell.
Say, if my
like
breath
that.
stank anything, it's because of
Oh my
it.
God.
Don't light that match. I don't want to smell it right now.
It smell better than your fucking ass cheeks that's coming from your lips. It smell like your motherfucking lips having a twerk contest.
Don't do that.
Woo.
That's so irritating. You do not got to smell that you could get out.
Woo.
It's literally just the noodles.
No, it's literally just your fucking lips.
I'm finna throw them away anyways.
Please stop talking. Please, just eat the noodles, please.
Dude, it's not my breath. I can smell my own breath. I'm clearly eating.
Oh my God, every time you talk, you fucking disintegrating the match smoke. Please. Woo. Woo.
Listen,
My nose just almost started bleeding. I gotta let my head back for
say
2
I can
seconds.
taste my
My,
own.
my nose is gonna bleed. I gotta let my nose back for 2 seconds. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Because you got something in your nose that's
My breath
toxic.
don't stink. You're dramatic.
It's toxic.
So what you want me to brush my teeth?
No, I want you to get a towel with some Dove and wash your mouth.
I wish I would. My breath. Okay.
Woo.
Look, I'm taking one right because I just dropped that. See? Look. Say, I'm serious.
This is about 5 times worse.
You don't
Please don't come out here. This girl got the whole living room smelling like ass.
Cap.
Man. Oh, that's terrible. Yeah. Come over here and hold your mouth out the door real quick. Let that get out. Come on. I'm
How
serious.
you know you don't
Come hold your head out the door real quick. And just open your mouth wide.
How do you know you don't stink?
That's not me. Every time you breathe, I
It
smell it.
wasn't stinking before you got in here.
Dude, are you crazy?
Are
You
you
up here
crazy?
bathing in your own smells. Did you done?
I ate noodles.
Woo! Woo! There you go. Come stick your head out the door. I'm serious.
Say, stop fucking down me right now.
Son, look at my son. He finna run for it. You about got him finna kill him.
Say, shut up.
Here, put this down your throat. The smoke should be
Yeah.
stuck in your. Woo! The smoke should be stuck in your. Oh.
Okay,
Please,
look.
please don't talk. Please.
Look, for real, look.
Please, no. Stand back. Put that bandana over your mouth. Put it over your mouth. Seriously, put the bandana over your mouth.
Look, for real.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
I'm not
So
playing.
you finna make my nose bleed again. My nose just had a little blood coming out of it.
You play too much.
I don't play. Nigga, you'll play too much if you can't smell it.
My breath don't stink. I smell chocolate chips in my mouth now, and especially because I'm eating chocolate
No,
chips.
you don't. You smell chocolate. Bro, please.
Smell it.
Bro, I wish you would.
Stop, for real. That's irritating. I'm sick of your ass. Okay, what you got? You literally had to bring it here. It was not stinking.
My nose for the star bleeding again. Told you.
You literally
I
said
told
to
you.
bring that in here.
I told you, my nose is about to bleed again.
Okay, well, let that bitch breathe. I don't care. And I'm not brushing my teeth just because you say my birthday because you're lying.
One of my kids have to go to the ICU because you all in
You're
the case
lying.
talking about some hey booty and your motherfucking mouth smelling like booty, then your ass gonna be in trouble with me. Straight up. You say, hey booty dookie dookie. No,
You're really
your shit
dramatic.
smell like dookie dookie. Get it fuck. Say, come on, get back.
Say, smell my breath.
Woo. Every time you start close, I'm telling you.
You being dramatic. I swear to God, you being dramatic. I'm not playing.
That shit smell like skunk cheek. I'm telling you, get back, bro. Like straight up, get back.
Okay, so
Stop
what
talking.
would you suggest?
Please stop talking.
Because you
Oh my
too
God,
much.
stop
It's
talking,
not even that
please.
deep. Your breath be smelling so bad when you be asleep.
Please
And I
stop
don't say
talking.
nothing about you.
Please stop talking.
Hey,
That's when I'm talking. That's when I'm sleeping. You
Okay.
walking, your shit smell like you sleeping. Please,
fuck you.
please, man, please.
Stop playing with me.
I can't take.
You dramatic.
Hey, I never saw no this moment.
You're
And you
dramatic.
study talking. Please stop talking.
Because I know my breath. I can taste my
Oh
breath.
my God, and I can smell your shit. I'm damn near tasting it too. Study running through my fucking. It's running through my, skipping through my tongue down to my throat, to my heart, to my stomach, to my chest.
We'll die.
And I
How's that? Die.
You know what?
You're playing with you.
I'm gonna go get you some charcoal. Not charcoal toothpaste. I'm gonna get you some charcoal to rub that tongue down.
Okay, bye.
Look at
Because
you.
it stinks till you walked up in here, so bye.
God. Oh my God.
I'm not playing. Stop. That's when I aggravate me.
Open your tongue. Let me put a little Cajun season on your
Hey,
tongue.
stop.
Please stop talking in
No,
my face.
stop.
Please stop talking in my face.
Oh my God.
Please, please.
You
Please.
dramatic.
Don't talk
I
in
never
my
met
face.
nobody
Please.
dramatic like this
Please,
in my life.
please.
This
Come on,
is
open,
crazy.
open your tongue. I'm gonna put this Cajun boil on your tongue.
What's that supposed to do?
Better than what it smells like.
Don't put it that's hot. I'm not playing with
I'm
you.
gonna get some salt and pepper there.
Say stop for real. I'm not playing. My breath don't even fucking say.
Oh my God.
I know my shit don't say.
I'm gonna give you some sea moss. Want some sea moss?
Yeah, well, mama wants some sea moss.
Shit.
Stop
What we
playing.
got here?
Well, give me my phone.
Oh my God.
I'm not doing nothing, so you can go back out and get this stink. You brought the stink with
G,
you.
you're talking inside of your drink. You're making a potion. Stop talking inside of that bottle.
I'm not.
I'm telling you, stop talking inside that bottle. Because you're going to drink that shit and your motherfucking organs going to stop working.
Okay, get the fuck out.
Oh my
You brought
God.
the
Son,
stink with you.
give it back, son.
He's fine.
Get back, baby boy.
He's fine.
On here, baby
He,
boy.
look,
Get
he
on
don't
here.
even smell nothing.
Get
That's
on
not-
here, baby boy. Please, baby boy. Don't go here. Here.
You probably stepped your shit. What are they supposed to do?
Block you. It's a little breath hound.
Get out. Okay, bye. Get out since it's stink,
I'm
bye.
fogging the living room up, man.
Dude, if you leave,
I'm trying to find something, man.
What are you trying to
Stuff
find?
this banana down your throat. Maybe get to stop the breath. I don't know.
I die.
Maybe you need to die and be brought back then. Because that shit smell like afterlife. I'm telling you. It smell like afterlife.
You is dramatic. I never met a nigga as dramatic
Smell like
as you.
afterlife.
This is crazy.
Like straight up. It smell like afterlife. Like,
This is crazy.
you know what?
No, now stop playing with me. Bye.
Maybe if I lube it up.
Say, put that shit
I
up.
put an olive oil down your throat.
Say,
Your
put that
tongue.
shit up. Lawyers did
Let's
in
try
his
this.
pants. I'm not playing with you.
I swear I'm about to throw up, die, nose rub,
Well, I
all
wish you hurry up and die because you're in
Please
my
stop
face.
talking. Oh my
breath in
God.
face. Let me smell your breath.
Ugh.
Let me smell your breath.
Woo,
Let me smell your breath.
woo.
Let me smell your
I
breath.
can smell it through my
Okay,
head.
let me smell your breath.
Woo,
Let me smell your breath.
woo. Open up.
Let me smell your breath. Nope.
Open your mouth. Let me Pam it.
I'm not playing.
Woo,
Now, if my baby fall because I sprayed it, I'm going to knock you out.
woo.
Let me smell your breath, say.
Let me scrape the
Next
plaque.
time we
Let
don't
me
talk.
scrape the plaque off your tongue. Open it up.
Boy, stop playing with me.
Hey, give it here.
Say, get in my face. Bye.
Give me your tongue.
Bye. Did you
Seriously, give me your tongue. Give me your fucking tongue.
Say, I will fucking. put this
Please
in
don't
your
talk that
ass.
close to my face. Please, please. Please, please, don't do it.
Say,
Hey,
I'm
do
not.
not do
Yeah,
it.
stop. Stop, for real. Stop playing with me. If my baby up here eating noodles, you are bad, dude. You are bad. Damn, I almost fell. Why would you do that?
No, for real. Like, your breath do smell like Chinese chicken. On the 12th year.
Hey, it didn't stink till you came in, so
No, I'm just
obviously
playing.
you stink.
I'm just playing. That's a joke. I just wanted to get your reaction. You was finna get mad though.
No, I wasn't. Because I know for a fact I don't stink. You
Your breath don't stink though. But when you just got up, I did smell that ass follow you.
What are you doing?
I said your breath don't stink, but when you got up, I did smell your ass shots follow you.
Right. That's your mama ass.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I just wanted to get your reaction real quick.
Williams on his counter. He's bad.
He chilling, man. Y'all already know that was a lit banger, man. Comment and say down below. Sorry for the 2 days. Y'all know yesterday was Bobby's birthday. And the day before, I already hollered at y'all. He telling y'all, too. Go ahead, son. You my daddy. Talk before me. Yeah, I already hollered at y'all the day before that and let y'all know what happened. YouTube got on some BS with us, but here y'all have it, man. I'm finna go ahead and get up out of here. See y'all at the next one.
Williams. They'll ask him, bust your head.